Solving systems by substitution. We have a system of two equations right here, which are 2x plus 3y equals 13, and we have y equals 2x minus 1. And we want to find out what the solution of the system is. We're going to use substitution. Substitution, you need isolated variables, and the y here, over here, is isolated. So it means that we can substitute all our y's for 2x minus 1. So let's go over here and rewrite the first equation, 2x plus 3. Instead of the y, we're going to put a parentheses. Parentheses typically mean that you're using substitution. Instead of y, we're going to put 2x minus 1, close parenthesis, equals 13. So the y has been replaced with the parenthesis 2x minus 1. Now we're going to solve this equation for x, since now it has only x's. And so start off with 2x plus, and I'm going to distribute this 3 here and here. That means multiply. So 3 times a 2x will give us a 6x. And 3 times a negative 1 is negative 3. And this will all equal 13. Now from here, I'm going to solve for x by first combining like terms. So this 2x and 6x will combine to become an 8x. Minus 3 equals 13. Okay, now to isolate x, I'm going to get rid of the subtracting 3 and the multiplying 8. First, the subtracting 3 by using an adding 3, and whatever you do to one side, we're going to do to the other. So now we end up with 8x equals 16. Now we're going to take our 8x equals 16, and we're going to divide both sides by just the 8, not the x. A lot of students make a mistake of putting x down here too, but you only need the number 8. Okay, so 8x divided by 8 is 1x, and 16 divided by 8 divides evenly, and we have x is 2. Now from here, we're going to find out what y is. Remember that y equals 2x minus 1. That came from this one right here. Okay, and what we're going to do is that we're going to solve by using substitution. Since we know that x is 2, we use substitution again. So y equals 2 parentheses 2 minus 1. And so y equals 4 minus 1. And that's going to be 3 for y. So I can conclude that my solution of the system will be x is 2 and y is 3. Solution of the system. Alright, next. Let's see if we can solve the system 2x plus 4y equals negative 2 and x equals y plus 5. Okay, and we have isolation here. The x is isolated, so we can use that for substitution. So we can turn all x's into a y plus 5. And there's the x right there. We'll make a substitution. So instead of 2x, we have 2 parentheses, y plus 5, close parenthesis, plus 4y equals negative 2. Now from here, we're going to distribute our 2 here and there. So we'll get 2y plus 10 plus 4y equals negative 2. Okay, and now we can collect like terms. We have a 2y here and a 4y on the same side. So same signs can be collected to become a 6y plus 10 equals negative 2. Okay, now from here we can isolate y by getting rid of the adding 10 and the multiplying 6. So let's get rid of the adding 10 by using subtracting 10. And what we do on one side, you do on the other. And this will give us 6y equals negative 12. Now we're going to take our 6y equals negative 12 and we're going to divide both sides by 6. Not 6y, but just 6. This will give us 1y here. And a negative divided by positive is negative, and 12 divided by 6 is going to be 2. So now we have y is 2. Okay, let's go back to x. We see that x x is equal to y plus 5. So we're going to put in x is equal to y plus 5 and use substitution again. X is equal to y plus 5. And we're going to substitute the y for -2. And when you put these together, you're going to get a 3. So what we have here is a solution of the system is x is 3 and y, right? And y is -2, and that's the solution of this system.